Hey bro, wake up, wake up, wake up. This video is one I've been wanting to make for a very long time now, even if it causes my views and subs to drop substantially. I'm a self-improvement YouTuber who makes these sort of videos, but now I'm also seeing way too many people subscribe to the school of thought that all they need is another video, then they'll feel motivated, then they'll learn the next key thing and actually be able to work on their goals now. Wrong. Yes, watching self-improvement videos is infinitely more fruitful than watching brain rot videos, but there really is a limit to it, alright? That I'm gonna tell you even if it means I lose popularity. I started watching self-improvement videos and taking self-improvement seriously at a low point in my life when I was lost and really yearning for a transformation. And I can say with certainty that this concept of self-improvement has gifted me with the transformation that I was yearning for, which is why I make these videos, by the way, in the hopes that maybe I can give you the same transformation that I got, you know? For me, like, self-improvement was just a wake-up call from every single way I was sabotaging myself. It gave me a whole new perspective, but there's a catch, which is the entire reason this video exists. I watched video after motivational short, and yeah, I learned a lot, but I never took any action. The truth is that while videos can teach you a lot, you actually have to take action on what they teach you. Go out there, get uncomfortable, make new experiences. Because honestly, experience is the best teacher, not random videos on the internet, even this one. Really, you already know what's good for you and what hinders your growth. You know you should wake up early so you can get more stuff done. You know you should eat good food so you can be healthy and look good. You know you should delay gratification for long-term results. But you still sleep late. But you still have that one unhealthy food in your diet you can't remove. But you still watch self-improvement videos when you should be working. Also, I say self-improvement, so when I say self-improvement fast, I say it so weird, like self-improvement. Yeah, people say some of what I say is valuable and helps them, and yeah, that's fine. You can watch videos by people like me once in a while, but remember that if you only watch self-improvement videos, right? It's like trying to learn to drive a car when you don't have a car. You need to learn how to drive a car and then put in the effort to buy yourself a car in order to drive a car, you see. You yourself have to take action on what you've learned. Right now, you probably spend like 80% of your self-improvement time watching these videos and 20% of it actually self-improving, you know. You want to flip that around. Spend only 20% of your time watching these videos and 80% of your time should go into actually self-improving, you know. I don't make these videos for you to watch instead of working on yourself. I make these videos for you to watch so you can better work on yourself, you know. Which means sometimes, most of the time actually, you're gonna have to cut the screen and go outside to your favorite childhood park for a little bit. Like I emphasized earlier, most people already know what to do. It's about having the desire, the guts, the courage to actually take action, even if watching these videos is easier. These videos are hopefully not ruining your life. If they are, then I wouldn't want to make them, you know. But please watch these videos less. Take a step back and spend the extra time on yourself. I know it's less ad revenue for me, but it needs to be said. And you know, if you support my message, I always have a Ko-fi, you know, for real. Inspiration from others is how I made real change in my life. But at some point, inspiration just becomes mindless consumption. I hope you join me on this journey of chill self-improvement, brother. See ya. Thank you so much. Okay.